driver don't pick the car. Car pick the driver. It's a mystical bond between man and machine.
It's a robot.
What was that?
Message from Starfleet.
Wrote the inanimate vastness of things.
Down like visitors from heaven, hallelujah.
Questions you want to ask?
Years from now, when you're looking back at your life, don't you want to be able to say you had the guts to get in the car?
What's up? Wow! What are you doing over here?
We're doing a video, right, Mom?
That's right, we're making a video.
You're
Dad.
making a video?
I'm making a video.
Right on!
I'm recording right now.
Well, I don't want to interrupt, but this looks pretty darn cool, man.
Yeah.
Do you mind if I come play with you for a while?
Yeah, so.
Cool.
You could be in our initiation.
I could be in the initiation?
Yeah, you could be right here.
Okay, can I just come and put Bumblebee-ST right here and it can watch the action?
Yep.
Sounds
and,
good.
And it could also go into water. That's fine with me. That side is the hot tub.
We should get a hot tub out here. I think we definitely qualify as people that might use one. Ready? You beat me, I'm stuck.
Yeah.
Thank you. I think the snow is soft. Ready? I'll go faster.
The dualies, hey? Nice.
Hey, that worked. I had to get some speed going.
Do differently.
Throttle down.
Really?
Throttle down.
Not walk down that area.
This is way deeper. This is how I always get to the fifth scale track. It ain't happening today. Nice, bro. The snowpack is heavy. Oh.